beautiful. You get this nice little gemstone effect on this Barbie extra dolly. And that's a sticker, you can take that off. There she is. She's very lovely. I think I'll get my other camera out, and there's the pet, Boss. That's her feet. I wish she didn't have flat feet, but there you go, she's a lovely doll. This is the one I wanted, this is number 2. I would like that one as well, I think, because I like the jacket she comes with, and I like her hair, and I like her the purse that says sweet. And this one's I like as well. I'm not too keen on her outfit. This one's anime figure. If they're going to give her flat shoes, I wish that they could have been like, you know, like those with the different coloured laces, but still. Ah, very pretty. So there she is. Using my other camera now. Barbie extra. I know some people like to see the packaging, so that does move around. I'll try and show you when I've got it off. There's the pet, there's her avatar, or anime figure. He looks funny there, he looks angry. That's funny, because I've seen that purse before, that bag. I've got a pink version of that comes with the Barbie fashion pack. And there's the back of the box. Oh, cute. People say, oh, this one's like the LOL Candylicious. I don't think she is. I mean, I've got Candylicious. I haven't unpacked her yet. I've still got her in the box somewhere. I can't find her at the moment, or I would compare them. I can't say it. I mean, any doll that's going to have pastel themes. Oh, she's pastel themed, so you know that's the only similarity. The pastel theme. The outfit's not the same. Candylicious has got a great big head and big eyes, and I must say I'm not really keen on big puffy sleeves. I don't like puffed sleeves, but that's just me. Now, we can see they move around in there. I'm going to take her out of the box now, and I'll be back. She's lovely, so pretty, and I think she comes out of the box quite easily. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so I'm holding the camera with the other. So she comes out quite easily. So I'll take her out properly and I'll be back again. Now, I was able to get the cardboard sections out of the sides of the box. I know sometimes people like to keep these, I probably will. But when you take this one out, you're going to get some of it left behind on the carton, on the packaging. As you can see, there's bits missing that stay on there. They're there. You see them? They're still stuck on the box. And that is pretty, how pretty that is. And this that comes off, it's so sticky, so I'm going to have to stick that onto something. Can you see this? Can you hear them? That's cool. So I'm going to just I think I'll stick that onto that, because that's a sticky background, and it's just going to get stick to everything. So I shall stick it on there and keep it on that, I think. Oh, there she is. Now, as I've said before, I'm not a big fan of articulation. I'm not bothered about it. The only thing I wish is that their knees would, the normal Barbie, with fashionistas, I wish their knees would bend so they could sit properly. But I wish this one, if she were going to have articulation, I wish she had articulated ankles so you could put her in high heels, because she's restricted to just flats. She's got this beanie hat on, which I'm not keen on. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm going to take it off to see what she looks like. But I like this. She reminds me of a Harajuku girl. Imagine her seeing in the old style Harajuku. There's the. You even get coloured thread with nice coloured thread. Not a fan of these sunglasses, I must say. I'm not a fan of all the packaging. I could have done without all of that. There's a little plastic, not the sort of thing you want to be doing late at night, as I'm doing. Anyhow, there she is. I'm using the other camera now. It's all these cameras I have to keep batteries going, or the memory card runs out. Or anyway, you don't want to hear about that. So, this is what she's like underneath. You can put different things on her. She's wearing fishnet tights. They're not stockings, they're hold-ups, they're tights. I'm not going to take those off it, well, because it isn't necessary. You can see what she's like. And I know some people like to see these things. They like to be thorough. So this is what's, there's her bracelet. That's quite nice. And she's got one here, it looks like a scrunchie. She's got earrings, nice little earrings. Oh, come on. Well, they're both, I think they're both the same. And she's got 3 different necklaces. I need another hand. I need 4 pairs of hands. She's so pretty though, look at that face, she's lovely. And her hair's beautiful. There's the other necklaces. Yeah, quite nice. That's one piece. And, oh look, this is stuck to me. And those sunglasses, I'm not a fan of those sunglasses either. I do like this little jewel bag. There's her dress, scrunchy. Well, but at least there's a dark rose at the back. I know most people probably love this top, but I'm not keen on it myself. I don't like big puffy sleeves. I love the pattern on it and the colour, because I love pastel shades. I just don't like the big puffy sleeves, but I guess it suits her. So we'll have to think of a name for her at some point, but that's what she looks like. And her hair, I think, is quite thick. It's not too... no bold patches that I can see. There's no... her head doesn't feel like it's all glue. Not a glue head, so... there's her face. Makeup looks perfectly sound. Pretty dolly. Very nice. Yes, I like her. Yeah, she's lovely. Love that hair. Very, very nice. A welcome addition to my collection, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to actually go in for this. You know, I don't have to collect every single one just because, well, just because. I've got to be firm with myself. I know I usually end up with the fashionistas, all of them. You know, I just... yeah. She's lovely. She's so pretty. I like her earrings. Yeah, definitely getting Harajuku vibes. Like maybe the old style. Very nice. Now I'm going to have to dress her again, because she can't stay like that. She'll be cold. Ooh, unicorn theme. What a pretty dolly. Isn't she nice? And I wanted to see if she could wear this without anything underneath, and she can, but it's not a good look, so she's definitely going to need something underneath. And yeah, I mean, all these cameras, and anyhow, another last look before I go put her back in her original outfit. And let's try her sunglasses. Oh, let's have a look at the pet. Isn't he cute? She's back in her original outfit. Excuse me, my voice is going. With sunglasses on. Now, if young kids are going to play with her, I'm sure those bits of tinsel in her hair will be all pulled out in no time, because they all catch around her earrings, so it's a bit fiddly. This purse that does open, you can keep things in there if you so wish. I'm not going to open it now because I did that with the pink one that I've got, and actually that pink one would suit her colour scheme better, I think. But the pink one doesn't stay done up now. After I opened it once, it does stay done up, but I mean it keeps falling undone, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm pleased with her. She's very, very nice. I don't think those sunglasses suit her. I don't think they'd suit anyone, to be honest with you. And so there she is, and I love the pet. It's so cute. And that thing saying boss, that's means business. That does. That's real chunky. He's lovely. sort of a dog is this? A Pekingese, is it? I don't know. He's quite heavy. He's a heavy chap. Yeah, just compare her here to Rana. She's got like a similar pastel-y theme. Oh dear, one does need 4 pairs of hands to do this adequately. So sorry about the inadequacy of everything, but I do my best given the inadequate circumstances and the lack of whatever, but the old silver camera in use again now, after I dropped him in the sea and killed him, but I brought him back to life a month later, as I've said many times, with isopropyl alcohol, took him out of his housing and washed him out completely, and anyhow, I'm digressing. I always have to mention that because not everyone will have heard that. So, yeah, the silver camera does feel much lighter. So, here she goes. What am I going to call her? Think of a name. Beautiful hair. She's so lovely. Very nice. And, ooh. Let me try and, oh. You know, is that my imagination, or do their arms look slightly too short? Because when her arms are down by her sides, they only come down to, I'm sure mine go down further than just below hip level. This is my imagination. Is this one's arms longer? No, I think they're about the same. Just a little compare and contrast here. Let's take those off. I don't think they suit her. She's so pretty though. I'm pleased with her. Oh, she is nice. Very nice. Nighty night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. And yeah, people are also comparing her to a Violet Willow from Rainbow High, and no, no, it's Violet, and no, just a pastel theme. No, she's no more like Violet than she is like Candylicious from LOL. She's her own person, or her own doll, if you like. I just thought, you know, I like to compare, make comparisons. Yeah, very pretty. Tell you what though, she'd look good with that jacket, Violet Willow. Do you think that would suit her? The colour would go with it? Yeah, maybe, maybe not. Oh, I must go to bed. I say nighty night again. Oh. Oh. Cute. Okay, because I like to compare. There's Candylicious, and no, I can't say that. There's people saying, oh, she's just like Candylicious. Well, you know, no, she isn't. She's her own style. And if you're going to do a pastel-themed doll with pastel shades, then obviously there's going to be a little similarity in the actual colour because of the pastel shades. But I must unbox Candylicious at some point. But no, she's not like Candylicious, and she's not like Violet Willow. She's her own person. Thank you, old silver camera, for coming back and being used again. Yeah, I just like to be thorough, and I thought if I don't compare her to Candylicious, I should be thinking, is she similar? But no, as you can see, she isn't. Pastel shades alone does not make a definite similarity or match. Oh, so pretty. It's so satisfying to get a lovely dolly, and I've just got to think of a name for her. She's so pretty. Oh. And I've just stuck this to the cardboard and cut round it to make a background. And now I really must go to bed. Oh, holographic stars. Very nice. Well, I managed to do that quite even, which is unusual for me. Yeah, I'm introducing her to the others. Some of the others, anyway. Oh, I've got to think of a name. Anyone any suggestions for a name? There she is. there with the others. And here she is in daylight. I'm nothing if not thorough. I try to be anyway. This is the next day and we're in daylight now. Her lovely hair. Oh, she's lovely. I've just got to find a name for her. What a pretty girl. What a pretty dolly. For us adult doll collectors. She seems rather have kids playing with her. I'm sure they're going to lose half the items and she'll be in a mess. I know some kids are careful, but you know, she just seems too nice to be just a playline dolly. So pretty. She is back with her friends now.
I actually know people who do this kind of thing.
Do you want a lollipop?
Both police and riot police officers.